Hello friend, welcome in PHP classes. So today I am discussing about PHP cookies, how to create cookies, how to retrieve cookies. So first of all, in this class I will discuss about the cookie, what is cookie, and in the next lecture I will discuss about how to create cookies and retrieve cookies. So first of all, the introduction of this cookie. Cookie basically a variable that is stored on the visitor's computer. So cookie are the variable. Now what are these variables? So you can see here the variable like name, password, and date. So apart of these three variables, we can have more variable also in cookie. So cookies is very important concept. So you can see in this diagram. In this diagram, when a user send any request, when a user send from his browser, from his computer, sends any request to the server. Maybe this may be HTTP servlet, this may be PHP server, this may be ASP.NET server. So any of the web server, when we send a request, then accordingly that time we will have one cookie automatically created one cookie, and accordingly when it reply, it send back the response to the client. Then same time that cookie is also transferred with the response. So basically, what is the use of these cookies? So cookies will track the user. Suppose in case of a sales site, we have been thousands of users, thousands, millions of users at a time. Like in Amazon.com, we have been lots of users at a time. So all users having their own cookies, and as per their cookies, the session will be tracked. So for session tracking cookie is very important, and session tracking commands is also, we can also establish session, and we can use cookies also for establishing the session to track the session, to track every user. So thousands of the users are working at a time on the same site, and every user is selecting the item on his shopping cart, his or her shopping cart, as well as they are paying money, and they are using third party payment server. So all this happening, and after selection of the goods in shopping cart, that after paying the amount to the company or Amazon.com shopping sites. So the goods is delivered in the particular address of the particular user, particular client. So all this happening in one session, and this session is tracked by the cookie. So basically, cookie is a very small file. You can again see cookie is a very small file, and is nothing but simply a text file. This is also called very small file, an internal temporary saved file, and uh, it tracks the user, and it is saved on user's computer while he is surfing on the internet. So this is about this cookie, and each time same computer request a page with a browser, it will send the cookie to. So whenever we send the request, we send the cookie to, and cookie is nothing but a small text file, and these text files stored on these variables. So sometimes we call it cookie is a variable that is stored on the visitor's computer. So cookie may be stored on the visitor's computer, means client's computer, as well as may be stored on server also. And whenever we request again, the server will remember us, and server will recognize us when we have logged in last time, and what is our username, what is sometimes we save the password, it also knows the password also. So but in case of the sensitive file, in case of the good secure website, so we don't have to mention password cookies also. So you can see here what is the name cookies. The first time visitor arrives to a website page, he or she must fill his or her name. The name is then stored on in the cookie. As we fill our name on computer, the name is stored on the cookie, and next time visitor arrives at that page, he or she puts welcome message, welcome, and the name of the user, because our name, whatever we have typed our name, so it is saved on the cookie, and next time it will display this message welcome and then our username. and the name is retrieved from the stored cookies. So cookies are the simply variable. Again, you can see cookie is a simple, is a variable stored on the visitor's computer. And other fact is simply, but it is nothing but simply a text file, a small text file, and internet temporary saved file saved in user's computer. So it is saved on user's computer when we search on the internet. So uh, and we can delete all these cookies. So how this cookie is saved? You can see this snapshot of the cookie. You have to browse viewing and deleting cookies in browser UI. So you can go on browser and go on setting, and there you will find the cookies tab. You have to select that cookies tab, and you can search any cookies. If you know the name of the cookies, then you can find that particular cookie. Otherwise you will have all the name of all cookies. Suppose these are the cookies of the Google, so you can see these cookies, and as you as you click on particular cookie, you can remove that cookie, as well as you can remove all the cookies, because cookie sometimes cookie is very helpful, very beneficial, but sometimes for security reason they are very harmful also. We don't have to give our information on all sites. We have to use some trusted sites. We are doing banking, so we have to understand that we have, if we are doing banking on the SBI or PNB, so their trusted sites, we have to use their sites also, and we don't have to other payment sites. So maybe there may be some hackers hack your data and your information, put it like your credit card information, bank information, all these things may be hacked. So this is the name of key. You can see here content and domain. It's Google's cookie, and path. You can see it's path send for any type of connection, and expire. This is very also important. When the cookie is expiring, so Sunday 17 2030 it will expire after 4 p.m. So this is safe, and you can remove this cookie, then automatically it will, as you will click on this cookie, it will be removed. So this way we can view all the cookies on our computer. Cookies is very important, and this the user has to do the provision of these cookies. When user means programmer. So programmer will do the provision of all the cookies when he will develop a programmer or developer. Now you can see the password cookie the first time, but password cookie is very sensitive, and this should not be stored by the programmer. But if suppose our site is not so important, so sensitive information, we don't have any sensitive, then we can mention this password cookies. So the first time visitor arrive to your web page, or he or she must fill the password. The password is then stored on the cookie. Next time the visitor arrives at your page, the password is created from the cookie. Suppose on our laptop or on mobile phone, always we can open our Google email, or we can directly open our other mail ID or Facebook ID. So we never type any username and password at time. So the reason is behind that our password is already saved on the cookies, and it takes from directly from the cookies. So this is happening in this case of the cookies. And now date cookies, the first time visitor arrived to your web page, the current date is stored on the cookie, and next time visitor arrive at your page, he or she could get a message like your last visit was on Tuesday, August 11, 2005. The date is related from the store cookie. So the cookie is very important, and we can store the date also, and it is helpful to track the user's movement on the cookies, and how many times we have visited on the server or website. So this can be measured, and this can be recorded also. So these are the many benefits of this cookies. And um, so always when we request for a particular page or website, so that time we also send the cookies. So these are all about this cookies, and this is a snapshot how to delete the cookies, and this is the time, expire time of the cookie, when it will expire, and this is the switch out of the cookie. Basically this is Servlet Cookie, but this also applicable in case of the PHP, ASP.NET, JavaScript, and we can use JavaScript cookies also be using JavaScript. We can create cookies. So these are the benefits of cookies. So I hope you understand about this cookie, the implementation of cookie. So next class I will, in next lecture and next class I will discuss about how to create cookies and how to write program in PHP to create a cookie. Thank you guys. Thank you.